Okay, y'all, I know what you're thinking. Does that girl use her crock pot for every single thing in her life? And the answer is yes. So I've been cooking these Little Potato Company potatoes today in some chicken broth. I'm just using this less sodium chicken broth. I couldn't find no sodium, the no salt added one today. All I'm doing, I know, spray butter everything as well. So I'm doing some spray butter, doing some salt-free seasoning, garlic powder. Oh, that's also garlic powder. Adding a little bit of almond milk to this. Guys, I don't do whole milk anymore because I am lactose intolerant. Now my potatoes are not done yet. They're cooked most of the way. And what I'm doing is I'm mashing these up and then I'm putting them back into my crock pot for the rest of the time so that they cook with all this good stuff in it. I use the Little Potato Company potatoes because they are less points for me than having a full potato. Also, I need to know, do you have your mashed potatoes with the skins on or off? Because I personally like the skin. So I just mash these, and the thing is, you don't have to have whole milk to make mashed potatoes, okay? I personally don't. So this is what I've done. I've mashed these up pretty good. I'm gonna cook them longer in my little crock pot over there. Guys, the crock pot makes my life so much easier. I didn't have to sit and boil potatoes because, y'all, to be honest, I don't like standing over the stove at all. Worst housewife ever, I guess, but I do not like standing over the stove. So, heated these up in the crock pot, mashing them up, putting them back in there for a little while, and they will be perfect. You can add more seasoning if you like or need to. Love ya.